talented Miss Stephanie by my side. Now that my heart rate's slowing down a little bit, we're going to show you two different moves that will get your partner to look like the Statue of Liberty. So essentially, Statue of Liberties. There's two of them, an easy one and a more difficult one, but we'll try to make it look easy for you. First part after a sugar push. For the ladies, 1, 2, 3. Walk, walk, walk. So you're going to bring her in, 1, 2, 3. I didn't do my footwork yet, but you're going to turn her to her right with her right hand. So first walk, walk on 1, start to turn her on 2. Now her left arm is in view with my right hand. I'm going to cup it. Okay, no death grip, guys, but I'm going to hold on to it to stop her and make her land on her right foot on 3. Now my right hand, my right forearm is actually also stopping her from turning anymore. So just 3 steps. 1, 2, and you can see that I'm stopping her pretty easily. Now for the footwork for the men, so while Stephanie's doing her walk, 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 nothing adjusted to her footwork. Guys, I'm going to go 1, start to turn her on 2, which is on my right foot, but then on 3, I stay there. I normally would be on my opposite left foot, opposite way. I'm going to stay on my right foot to mirror her. So 1, 2, 3, we're both on her right foot. 1, 2, sugar push. Going to go to 3, 1, 2, 3. Right arm right over her head, right in line with her forehead. You don't want to pull it too far, you don't want to twist it too far. It's uncomfortable. She won't like it. Sugar push. We're just going to add the next count now for 1, 2, 3. And then bring her up onto her left foot on 4. Guys, put your weight in your left foot as well on 4. So you're still mirroring her for that part. So on a sugar push, we're just going to go to 4. And go 1, 2, 3. Pull her forward on 4. I'm using both hands. The hand's holding bicep and the hand above. So then from there for her, don't look at me, please don't look at me. For her footwork is just 2 triples after that. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So you're just making her do a turn and about 3/4 to the left with just her right and my left. So on a sugar push, you bring her in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, triple step, triple step. Now for what I'm doing on that is when I get her to 3 and I bring her forward on 4, while she does her first triple step, I don't move. I basically just control her turn, and then for the last triple step, now I'm back on my forward. Because I had to take out a step to begin. I'm taking out a series of steps just to get back on my forward. She doesn't even have to worry about it. 3 and 4, 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Front to back for this one. We're doing a sugar push. Hope you like this. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Guys, stay off the track, okay? Because she owns it. Just make sure you have room to catch the arm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? She checks. She bugs me about it. So please subscribe. It's free to do so. Now we're going to give you a longer version of this. She ends up with the Liberty look again, but you got to get her something fancier to get there. So on a sugar push, taking her right hand, you're going to make her walk 1, 2. There's a prep to her right. Full turn to her left. 3 and 4. And guys, you're backing up as you're moving her down the track. So got to be pretty smooth with this. So I'm going to go to 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So going this way just to see, guys, I'm off the track. Bring her in 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm on my left. She's on the right. All right. So then from there, we're going to get into the Liberty. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to stop on 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to go and 5 for the ladies, which is and 5. Same arm catch. Keeping her hand high, guys. I'm on 4, and then for her and 5, but I'm just going and 5. Remember, take out a step to mirror her footwork, and you're back to where you both are on the same count. And same forward. 3, 4. The longer move. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Bring it forward. 6. She turns, and then I do the ending. Same ending as the first move, except we're doing this longer version to get her there. So on a sugar push, the longer one, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Front to back on that one. We're just going to go right into it. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Backwards this way. So you can see, remember you need room for this, guys, so make sure you do have that. 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just in case you forgot the first move. Have you forgotten? She forgets. Just 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Statue of Liberties. 2 for the price of free for you. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like it, guys. Haven't taught that one in a while here at Nick's, so we brought it back this year. Hope you like it. Hope you use it. That's why we do it. So we'll have something for you pretty sure next week. So until next time, have a great week.
Keep dancing.
Wasn't sure.